So we're headed to the Megaphone. This is a trail that comes up a hill, past that little bridge, and we're still climbing. So this trail is kind of like the Pinckney Recreation Trail in that you have maps and checkpoints. So we're headed to the Megaphone up this way. So right after that trailhead, you come to this trailhead, which is number 5. To get to the Megaphone, you want to go to 11, which is up this route. All right, so we just came from back there, came to signpost 11. So we are where the red dot is. We want to go down to here, to the Megaphone. So that means we want to go towards number 10. It's actually a pretty nice trail. There are some mosquitoes on here. Just blew one off my hand. So you get to a real small side trail and you come to Nature's Megaphone. So we'll take a picture so you can read it. It's kind of cool. So just pause the video and read it. Hello out there.
You're supposed to get in and listen to nature and let it talk to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is Nature's Megaphone. It's big. Close to the Megaphone, you hike away from it and you come to this beautiful view. Look at this. As long as I don't fall over the edge. Wow. There is a drop off. So you come down a steep hill and you come to another bench with a view. This one's a little bit different view. It's kind of a marshy area over there, and then over here. All right, so once you get to 7, you come down to a boardwalk. Nice. Watch your head. Ugh. Boy. Yeah, exactly. And you go in and out of hunting zones. Right now we're entering a no hunting zone, and we just came out of a hunting zone. Oh, and then this boardwalk has mesh on it, which is great, because when it's damp, these boards are really slippery. Uh-oh, we have a windfall. Yeah, you're gonna have to climb over it. Yeah, trail maintenance. We need trail maintenance. Took 2 trees down. All right, let's see if we can get over this.
Can I grab anything from you, Rose?
Rose is cheating.
Oh, I decided to come up further
Yeah.
after inspection.
Now you've got a nice bench and right by the river. It's beautiful. So we just came up kind of a steep hill with steps. And you come to signpost 6. So it's this little area right here where we just came up. Now we want to go that way to number 5. So on your way back, you come to 3, and then you see these really nice steps with gravel on them, which go downhill. But careful not to fall. Whoa! To get down that really nice path, you come to a really nice bridge and the cabin, which is right up there. Oh, here we go. Back the way we came. And there's the water again. You can pause the video if you want to read that. When we got here, we came down that path, but this time we're going to come back this way around the cabin. Which then there's a sign we can read. You can pause the video if you want. So we're going to end up going up that way. The cabin does have an outhouse. And we'll see if it's open. Whoa. Pretty nasty in this one.